accomplished, and you take them, and then they can face trial. It will have to go through court proceedings in the U.S. All right, and I just got to know, that he has hired some of the top. Yesterday, I got to know that he has hired some of the top lawyers in the United States of America, very experienced lawyers, to defend him. Now I
go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle. If not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first person to watch. And don't forget to on your notification bell so that when the video is being dropped, you can see. We are all expecting Ken Ofori Atta in Ghana so that it comes and investigation will be done. But a lot of things have been done so that Ken Ofori Atta will come. Yesterday, the Attorney General has come to let us understand the reason why Ken Ofori Atta is not in Ghana now. He was talking about some extradition that we have to wait patiently for the U.S. government to pass through before Ken Ofori Atta will come. He was trying to let us understand that when he handed Abu Treka to the U.S., he was expecting that the U.S. will exchange Ken Ofori Atta with Abu Treka, but Ken Ofori Atta is nowhere to be found. And he was trying to let us understand that Ken Ofori Atta has hired experienced lawyers in the U.S. to defend him. He was saying so many things in which a lot of things have sparkled reaction on social media.
Extradition is based upon certain legal principles. Okay. Now, if the extraditor if the offense, for instance, does not fall within the ambit of the extraditable offenses provided under the treaty, it will be very difficult for the person to be extradited. Okay. If, for instance, there is a sense that persecution will take place rather than prosecution, that a person will not be treated fairly if extradited, it's most likely extradition will not take place. If you cannot show by your extradition packet, that is the request that you have sent to the U.S., that the one that I have sent to the U.S., there is sufficient evidence, okay, to come to a conclusion, a reasonable conclusion that a crime has been committed, even though you still have the burden to prove that crime beyond reasonable doubt. All right, extradition may not be granted. So the basic point I want to make is that yes, the principle of reciprocity applies. Okay, and I would have been very happy to hand over Abu Treka as I have done. Okay, and then get Ofori Atta quickly in return. All right, but usually the extradition proceedings take place in a court of competent jurisdiction. In our case, that is the district court. All right. In the U.S., it will also be the federal district court. Now, mind you, the person who is the subject matter of extradition will fight it in court. Okay, so the American authorities won't just take my request and say, here you are, here is Ken Ofori Atta, and then here is, his other accomplished, and you take them, and then they can face trial. It will have to go through court proceedings in the U.S. All right, and I just got to know, that he has hired some of the top. Yesterday, I got to know that he has hired some of the top lawyers in the United States of America, very experienced lawyers, to defend him. Now, I'm not afraid at all. All right, I am not afraid at all, but it means that there's going to be a fight in the federal courts in the U.S. If the district court says no, he will go to the circuit court. All right. If the circuit court says no, he's entitled to go to the U.S. Supreme Court to fight his case. So I cannot tell you that he will come tomorrow or he will come the next day. Okay. And I'm just being honest. Accounting to the people means being explicit and truthful. So this is what we are faced with. But I have on behalf of the government of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, we have taken the requisite steps to bring him to Ghana to face trial. And if I were him, this is his home. He should just join the next flight and come here. Under my watch, he will not be treated unfairly. He will go through due process and be prosecuted just like any other person, just like Kobina Edubohi or Hanan or any of the persons that I have filed charges against.
If Ghana was able to give Abu Treka within the twinkle of an eye, I don't know the reason why the US people are just passing through processes and all those things. Atta have to come and answer some questions. A lot of things have been slapped upon him. If Atta is really innocent, he should come so that he pass through the process. If he's innocent, Atta will never be done anything. If he's not innocent, the punishment and what the law has said about people allegedly stealing state funds, what the law is trying to let us do to the person, it will be done to him. And I don't understand this process have to be a long process before Atta comes. Look at the state money in which Atta and Akufo-Addo allegedly spent on unnecessary things that was being used in the country. A lot of people were bringing their own reactions. Those monies can be used for so many things in our country. Those monies can be used to build schools, hospitals. So that if you go to some of our hospitals in Ghana here, some of the pregnant women are giving birth on the floor. And it's very unappalling. And one person allegedly can spend all this huge money in the name of building a cathedral, in the name of giving us PDS and all those scandals. Recently, I've gotten a video. Napo is trying to let us understand that the PDS was present by fake things and all those things. That video will be given to you. So keep luck. I'll give it to you. Maybe it won't be now, but I'll make sure that I'll give you that video. He was trying to give us so many things. Come and answer some questions because the name tarnishing is too much. Ghana have to be serious. We have to be serious with US so that US will bring him. By hook or crook, you have to come. That lawyer guy has hired them to represent him at the US state and all those things. It's unnecessary. The US have to just deliver him for us. Look at the way we've given Abu Treka to them. Why are they trying to pass through process? You have to go to the court, you have to pass here, you have to do this. It's a waste of time. We need Atta in this country. We need him. We need him badly in this country. We need him because a lot of people are following this story. A lot of people's heart is in what the government will do to Atta in the name of the state funds, in the name of the money that has been used to do certain things that maybe it has not been beneficial to us as Ghanaians. Our taxpayers' money is involved, so we need to know every move, everything that has happened. Atta have to come. The NDC government is a serious government in which they don't take corruption at the main platter. If you are a corrupted person and you've done something that has brought shame to the country or you have spent the state money, Mahama government will make sure that you are bring to justice so that you be dealt with. Atta have to come so that we do it. You can share your comments under the comment section. Anything that you really want to say, you can also say it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be able to see it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you another time.